If you are just beginning your editing journey or a professional looking to change up your choosing software, it can be challenging to know where to start. What's up guys, I am Sandeep and you are watching DaVinci. The editing software you choose should ultimately come down to what you want to achieve. Today we are taking a closer look at Premiere Pro versus DaVinci Resolve to help you to make an informed decision. We will take 7 different factors for each of them to consider while choosing the right one for you. So let's start. Price. Adobe Premiere Pro uses a software as a service SaaS model of distribution and pricing. The SaaS model means the program is accessible and downloadable via a cloud service and paid for by monthly subscription. The cost per month of Premiere is $20 or discounted annual payment of $239. The standard version of DaVinci Resolve, however, is completely free and ready to use once downloaded. Many advanced features exist in the free version, with the upgraded Studio Edition costing $299. This is one-off payment after which all future upgrades are free. Timeline. The timeline is Premiere is a classic non-linear space allowing you to assemble clips in any placement order without restrictions. This is much the same in Resolve, which also offers a cut page featuring tools to produce edit faster within a streamlined interface. Ease of use. As compared to Premiere Pro, the Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve is quite hard when it comes to ease of use. It really needs several months of practice to really master DaVinci Resolve. Editing and color grading. DaVinci Resolve begin life as a dedicated color grading program before developing more offline and online editing features. However, the depth of these tools can be overwhelming and beyond the needs of some editors. This is especially true if you are working with the footage that does not have the resolution or bit depth to be exploited by deep grading options. Premiere, on the other hand, has more familiar looking tools within the dedicated color editing workspace. Motion graphics and VFX. DaVinci motion graphics capabilities are more significant in scope than Premiere Pro. To get the Adobe software to match these capabilities, you would likely need both Premiere and After Effects, while DaVinci can technically do what 2 Adobe programs can. It's nowhere near as user-friendly for first-time video editors. Integration. Third-party plugins are available for both pieces of software, including some excellent grading and audio effects. Using the essential panels in Premiere offers a wealth of motion graphic functions, of which there are thousands of templates available to download online. Using the essential panels in Premiere offer a wealth of motion graphic functions, of which there are thousands of templates available to download online. Support. As an editor, you sometimes need support and help with technical issues occurring within the software. Given its popularity and wider user base, there's a wealth of online support forums and discussion pages focused on Premiere Pro CC. While on the other hand, Blackmagic provides VIP support only to paid users. So the final question comes, what software should you choose? The information above should hopefully give you a clear idea of which software will be best for your needs. If you are still confused, I highly recommend to do your own research before your purchase.